So I think for the first time, I'm gonna go ahead and say, which one do you guys think won?
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
What's going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video, and this is going to be a speed test between the Moto G6 Play and the Umidigi A3. So first things first, let's talk about the CPUs in each device here. We got the Snapdragon 425 in the Moto G6 Play, and we have a MediaTek processor in the Umidigi A3. Now the G6 Play is clocked at 1.4 gigahertz, while the A3 here is clocked at 1.5 gigahertz. Each device has 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage. It's running Android 8.0 at least, with the A3 running Android 8.1. Now the Geekbench score on the Moto G6 Play is higher on the single core and the multi-core, with a 658 and a multi-core score of 1831, while the A3 here has a 645 for the single core and a 1607 for the multi-core performance. With pulling up the AnTuTu benchmark, you can see that each device scored 43,000, but the A3 here has a 784 as opposed to the G6 having 194, so a little bit higher on the AnTuTu benchmark score. And I haven't seen that too many times where a device will get higher on the AnTuTu benchmark and lower on the Geekbench against another phone. Basically, what I'm getting into now is app opening tests to see which device opened up the applications faster. After that, I do a RAM management test to see which device holds the applications better in the background. And if it doesn't get to that point, I do what I call a knockout, which is just basically saying one phone is opening up applications faster than the other one the entire time. So the first application is the Play Store here. 3, 2, 1. It goes to the G6 Play. Next application is going to be YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. It goes to the G6 Play there. Next application is going to be Spotify. So 3, 2, 1. It goes to the G6 Play. Let's do Amazon here. So Amazon, 3, 2, 1. It goes to the G6 Play there. Let's go ahead and do Best Buy. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Umidigi A3. Let's do social media next. So Facebook, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I guess we'll get that to the Umidigi A3. Next application we're gonna do is Instagram. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, well, I mean, I guess that goes to the Umidigi A3 there. So Twitter, 3, 2, 1. Looks like the G6 Play took that one there. Let's do Google Plus next. 3, 2, 1. G6 Play took that one. Let's do SoundCloud. 3, 2, 1. Oh, not even signed in on this phone. So I guess I'm gonna have to start doing this thing now where if I'm not signed in on one phone, that doesn't mean the other one wins. That could be a little cool little twist to it, so we can make it fun. Yeah, let's go ahead and do a RAM management test now. Got a good amount of applications open. Each device has 2 gigs of RAM, so let's see how it performs with these apps. Play Store, what's held in the background by both. YouTube, held in the background by both. Spotify, held in the background by both. Amazon, held in the background by both. Best Buy, almost held in the background by both. Facebook was held by it. Instagram was held by the A3. Instagram was held by the G6 as well. So where they both had to reload with Google Plus. G6 held it. Can't really count SoundCloud, but SoundCloud was held by the A3. Overall, both devices perform really well there on the actual RAM here. It's gonna be hard to declare the winner. So I think for the first time, I'm gonna go ahead and say, which one do you guys think won? Let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is made public, you'll be notified of it immediately. But until then, thank you for watching this video. My name is Max Rock. You have a good day. Deuces.
Yeah, nurse strap.